Good morning, people. It's day 6. We at like $775. Throw that on the screen. We starting our day with a McDonald's order, Uber Eats, $9. I think it was 6 miles. We're heading on into McDonald's now. Let's not waste no time. We got a challenge to complete. So let's go. We dropped off that McDonald's order. So I'm currently on my way to Common Ground. I got a DoorDash order from there. It was like $14, like 12 miles or 13 miles. Alright, so it's currently 12:20. It's been a while since the last update. After I dropped off the DoorDash, I ended up getting a $10 Uber Eats, Pancheros. So I got myself a burrito, dropped off that order. After I dropped it off, the customer called me, so I actually answered. Normally I don't answer. And the customer's like, "Hey, did you drop off my order?" I'm like, "There was 2 doors. I left it at the door on the left." She's like, "Oh," and then she hung up on me. Oh my God. So then I got a McDonald's Uber, $9, probably 6 miles. I'm at McDonald's now. I'm gonna head on and pick this up. Update y'all soon. We took care of that McDonald's order. After I dropped that off, I got a Jersey Mike's order. I think it was like $10. So I already took care of that also. And then I headed to my house. I'm gonna take a break and then work a little bit more tonight. We still got to make 175 to hit 1,000. So I do want to make at least $25 to $50 tonight. It's gonna be even colder later, but honestly, it hasn't bothered me too much. Alright, so we just made it back to the office, Target. I got 2 shipped orders. This will be about $20 for 40 minutes, it looks like. So let's just get right to it. Let's take care of these orders. Alright, so we just shopped for those 2 shipped orders. Right once I got inside Target, I also got a DoorDash order for $17. So I accepted that as well. I'm currently on my way to drop off the DoorDash. I dropped off the 2 shipped orders already. They were pretty close to the store, kind of on the way to the DoorDash. That was a little further. The weather's getting pretty crazy because it's so cold and so windy. And hopefully the weather and the roads will be a little better tomorrow. I might do one last food delivery after this, but we'll see what happens. When you're doing multiple orders, you gotta keep them separated. Alright, so we dropped off that DoorDash order. After dropping it off, I seen a Uber Eats order for about $15 to bring me closer to home. So I took that as well. I already dropped that off actually. Once I dropped that off, I started heading home. And then I got this offer from DoorDash, $8, maybe 6 or 7 miles, Dollar General. I actually have been wanting to stop and get some snacks, then drop it off on the way home. Day 6 coming to a close. All right, we're almost to the dollar store, probably about 1 minute away. So update you guys soon. Closing time. Just dropped off that DoorDash order. So yeah, today was an interesting day. I checked the weather app. It says like the real feel is -14. The wind is like 17 miles. It's like 4 degrees. So I'm headed home. Gonna crank that heater. We got one more day left of the challenge. I think we need like 125 to hit 1,000. We should be able to do that no problem tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hope you're doing well. Like and subscribe to support the channel. Tell me how you feel in the comments. We're probably gonna do like 2 or 4 of these series a year. So if you got any recommendations, requests, suggestions, just let me know. If you got any questions about Uber Eats, DoorDash, Shipt, let me know. I'm here to help. We gotta help each other out. But that does it for me. Mr. Hustle, out.